SpeedCube Kid here. Today we are doing how to not use your lubes part 2. Let's get into it. Alright, well the first thing to not do is to use it as paint. Let us paint a masterpiece. Nice. What a masterpiece. Make sure to do what this thing says and subscribe, please. It helps a bunch. Well, you probably shouldn't use it as hair gel, but can it really hurt? Martian hair gel. Wait, why does my hair look green? What have I done? What have I done? No! Hand sanitizer? Really? Alright. Oh, that feels wrong. Let me smell it. Oh! Well, either I have superpowers or what, I don't know. But apparently Martian lubricant can turn into a crown. I don't know, but watch this. What? What in the world? Get this, Galaxy does the exact same thing. Look. What, bro, what? It's a crown. How did that happen? Thanks for watching and subscribe now. Yeah, I'm throwing my lubricant bottles across the room. Oops. Yeah, maybe I should probably stop that.